Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSHIBA AT10 A, and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and right here we have to scroll down in order to find the proper option, which is right here in the system. So let's tap on date and time, and currently we are using automatic date and time. That is why we cannot tap on those options. So first of all, let's untick this option, and right now we can freely tap on set date. As you can see, just by swiping we can change it, up to you. Tap on done to confirm, and the time, the same situation, just by swiping you can set the time you want to use. Tap on that, and of course it will immediately be applied to the status bar. We can of course also change the time zone. Just tap on it, and here you've got the full list. So just tap on the one you'd like to use, and of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here you can decide whether you want to use the 24-hour format, just like now, or 12-hour format. In that case, simply turn off this option. You can also choose the date format, up to you. Currently we've got the regional option, but you can pick whether you want to display the day first, the month first, or the year. Up to you again. If you want to, you can always go back to previous settings, so the automatic date and time, just by tapping on this switcher right here. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.